Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to check gig performance on Fiverr. Why would you want to know how to check gig performance on Fiverr? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to check gig performance on Fiverr. So today I am going to show you how to check gig performance on Fiverr. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you have published gigs on Fiverr, now want to check their performance, how you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open any browser and type fiverr.com at search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons at the top. Click on My Business. Now click on Gigs. Select a gig you want to see its performance. Scroll down. Here you are seeing gig performance. From here you can further check impression, clicks, orders and conversion rates. There you go. If you wanted to know how to check gig performance on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.